What is up, guys? It's Shams here with a new video. Thanks for tuning in. Before I start, I just want to say thank you for 850 subscribers. It means the world to me. We're close to 1,000 subscribers. I've been grinding all year hard. Thanks ever so much again. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for all the support, all the comments, all the sharing. Nuts. So without further ado, let's get into the video and play my intro. You guys know, yeah, as by the thumbnail and the title, you already know what's going on. We got a fucking BoostGauge, mate. Obviously, I set this one up already just because, you know, I wanted to make sure that everything is how it is. But yeah, so what does it come with? So you got your BoostGauge, then you got your clamp, you got your extenders, your nuts. This is your wiring harness that goes into your ignition or your 12-volt switch, whatever you want to call it. And this is your vacuum line. Pretty long. You're also gonna need some wire strippers, some cable ties as well, and yeah, very excited. Without further ado, let's go fit this BoostGauge. Sweet. So when you get to your car, you're gonna make sure that you have everything. So make sure you got your boost hose, your BoostGauge, all your nuts and hardware, cable ties, and also you're gonna need 2 snap locks. Now, the first thing what I did was I put my hand up underneath where the OBD port is, and then I squeezed the 2 tabs to get the what do you call it, the light switch or light adapter, whatever you call it, out from its slot. And then once that's out, I unplugged it, and then I went underneath where the driver footwell is, and I pushed my hand up and I started feeling around for a little flap, which I'm showing in the video right now. Okay, so this opening leads up to where that grommet is in the front driver side wing. There's like a little grommet that you just peel off, and then you have access through, you know, where the bonnet is, like I'm showing you in the video right now. So I pushed the BoostGauge or boost hose through that little grommet down into the driver side footwell, up into the vent where the BoostGauge is going to be, and yeah, just like I'm showing you right now, that's where I'm not mounting it here, but I'm just putting it in this part so I know exactly where it is so I don't lose it. And then we're going to move on to the electric side of the BoostGauge. Lovely jubbly, sweet. So the wiring, so obviously you get 2 wires, where you get 1 wire, and then inside that wire you have 2 other wires, your positive and your vehicle ground or your grounding point. Now what I'm doing right now is basically stripping off the additional copper that came with it, because with the snap locks, you don't want any copper showing, you just want the wires itself, because the snap locks is going to be biting into the wire and it's going to keep it secure, like it's not going to move at all. So you can't get this wrong. So okie dokie, for those of you guys that don't know how the snap locks work, I'm going to give you a quick explanation of how it works basically. Cool. So the whole idea behind it is just to hijack the existing wire or the power running through or the ground from the existing wire. That will save you from cutting the wire, soldering it or twisting it and doing all of that rubbish. Yeah, snap locks are very easy. You clip it over onto the existing wire, and you also shove in that wire that you want to tap into the set of snap locks as well. You close it and you press firmly, and boom, you have your secure connection, and it ain't going nowhere. It's very firm. Obviously that silver blade that you see in the snap lock is going to be making, you know, the contact between both wires, the existing and the new wire. Hope that helped, hope that I explained it well, and yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, this is what happened. So I picked the boost gauge. This is the boost gauge right here. Let's just plop that out. And obviously we got your wiring, your boost hose, vacuum hose. Okay, cool. So this is the part that I've been waiting for about 5 days. This is the boost gauge, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it down like that, mate. You're gonna try and fix this up somehow. And then basically cheers for that. And then this goes over the adapter like so, and this is going to keep it in place, so like this boost gauge is not going to be moving, right? So after you do that, I'm going to put the little nut on. It should have came with a washer, but you know, it's an eBay version, so you know. And then yeah, once that's on like that, twist it on like so, and then boom, you got your little boost gauge right there chilling. Then after, what you're going to do is then you're going to plumb it up to the actual wiring and the vacuum, and then you should be golden. I'm also using cable ties to, what the fuck? I'm also using cable ties to cable tie the actual boost vacuum or boost hose onto this little gauge or piece right here. Does it fit? Yeah, it's gonna fit. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna show you the final product when I'm done. So yeah, that is the finished product, I believe so. And what we gotta do now is just plug it back inside this vent, and it should be good. I'm probably gonna put some silicone or some tape around here just so it can stick better, but let's just see how it is now. So when you turn it on, the light comes on too, and you get to change the color.